Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my WhatsApp application on my mobile phone, and usually the Meta AI will appear automatically on our WhatsApp. This is the symbol of Meta AI. And if you haven't got this Meta AI on your WhatsApp, don't worry, guys, because I think the Meta gave us the AI gradually. So we just need to wait for our turn if we haven't got this AI, because the AI will be added automatically to our WhatsApp. And make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp. If you haven't installed the latest version, you can go to Play Store or Apple Store to update your WhatsApp. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can use this Meta AI feature. We just need to tap on the symbol and then we'll be able to chat with AI. Basically, we can ask anything to the AI. You can ask the AI to generate an image for you, and you can also ask the AI to tell you a story, tell you a joke, and it's up to you. And for example, guys, I'm going to ask the AI to generate a photo for me. I'm going to ask the AI to generate Frost with magical touch, like this. You just need to write the prompt, and then once you're ready to send the prompt to the AI, you can click on the send button like this, and the AI will generate an image for you. Okay guys, and this is the result. As you can see that this is the image generated by AI, but I think the result is not perfect. I don't know what's going on, but if you do not get what you want, you can write the prompt again and send it to the AI. And you can also use the Meta AI on your group chat, guys. You just need to go to your group chat and then you can mention the Meta AI. You can type in out like this and then select Meta AI. And for example, I'm going to ask the Meta AI to set up topic for us like this, and I'm going to send it to the AI. Okay, like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!